guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we're going to be talking about a unit from Outre. It's from their melted hairline collection in the style MH135. This unit comes in multiple different colors, from your everyday wearable colors all the way down to your fun speciality colors. I got the 1B just because of the styling of the unit. To me it just feels like it's going to give off that like fresh silk press type of vibe. This is the unit straight out of the box, and the luster and sheen on this, like, it's giving healthy silk press. It's giving healthy hair. Like, this is nice, especially for a synthetic wig. Like, this is nice. Anyways, the texture of this unit is a light yaki texture, and I don't know if you can tell right here in the front, it does have some layering going on. The length of this unit is 20 inches, but there's a part of me that just wants to go in and cut this little bit off right now, but I'm gonna wait and put the unit on and see how it looks on me first, and then decide after that. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, along with a security band that you can adjust as well if you choose to do so. Because this unit is from the melted hairline collection, when it comes to the lace, you are going to get about 13 inches going across the front, and then about 5 inches going straight back for a very small parting space area. This unit comes with a breathable cap, so if you are someone who gets like really hot, or you're someone who wants to constantly scratch at their scalp, this is a good unit for you. Oh, and before I forget, this unit also comes with baby hairs along the hairline if that's your thing.
Now polish 10 toes down. Yeah, look back and shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah, body feel the color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, ain't like fuck Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're on side. Watching real time, I ain't too live. Easily adjust to you do life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown plans. You don't need a man, got your own plans. No kid, money, these grown plans. Had to wake 'em up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep. Arch your back and knees and bring 'em in.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit. We're going to start with my cons first, and I only have one, and that would be that I am getting a little bit of snagging towards the end of the unit. Now, I noticed this when I first pulled the unit out of the box, that I was getting some snags here and there, but I feel like the longer that I wear the unit, the more snags that I get. Now, am I mad about it? No, it's a synthetic unit, so naturally I'm going to expect some type of either shedding, tangling, or snagging when it comes to these types of units. I just don't want the snagging to happen this early on. So I feel like a solution to that would be to probably spray a little bit of silicone spray towards the end of the unit. I don't have any on hand, otherwise I would try to spray some, which means I need to make a trip to the Black Girl Sephora, the beauty supply store. But yeah, I feel like that could possibly help that little issue. Other than that, I only have good things to say about this unit, so let's go ahead and jump into my pros. This unit is giving me the exact look that I was going for. Like I said earlier, I wanted that like fresh silk press type of look, and come on now, like, you can't lie or deny and say that that's not exactly what this is giving. On top of that, the little layering in the front adds a little bit of body. Like, come on, Outre. The lace, baby hairs, and pre-plucked hairline on this unit just gives a very natural and effortless hairline, in my opinion. Like, this unit looks so good. At one point in time, I was thinking that I was gonna have to go in and like open up the middle part a tad bit, but I didn't. I decided to just leave it as is. Now, I could go in with a little bit of makeup, but honestly, with the stocking caps that I have underneath my wig, I feel like it's kind of giving scalp. So like, I don't know, I feel real cute, girl. I I feel like Outre is one of those companies to where they improve year after year, and you can tell based on the quality of their units. Like from the beginning, I've always loved the Perfect Hairline collection and the Melted Hairline collection. Of course, the Perfect Hairline was like my #1, and then Melted Hairline was like my #2. But I can't lie, here recently, I feel like Melted is stepping it up just a little bit more. Like they're kind of like neck and neck almost, because I don't know, Melted Hairline is for the girlies who want something that's quick, easy, very beginner friendly. Like you don't want to have to like part here or do this or do that. You just want the style as is, but you want that like frontal look. That's what Melted Hairline is for, in my opinion. And I don't know, like I said, I wanted that nice, fresh, silk press type of look, and I definitely feel like I got it in with ease at that. But yeah, it's almost time for me to go get my oldest from school. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They'll be both linked below, and they're in the description box below. Why was it a tongue twister? I don't know why, but I'll also make sure to have this wig linked as well. And yeah, I don't think I'm forgetting to say anything, and if I am, whoops, sorry, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.